Welcome back to Dim Tips, the channel which repairs, restores various objects and things. Today what we're going to be doing is revisiting the XLR cable that we repaired. Please feel free to check out my old video, which should be coming up just there. And what we're going to do is now go ahead and actually repair the wire. There's a few things that you're going to need for today's session. Is something to actually hold on to the two different sections of the wire. You are going to need some solder. There you go, I've got some soldering wire. You are going to need some flux. I've got some flux. You are going to need a soldering iron. I've got something nice and frugal. It didn't really cost a bank. And didn't really break the bank, and I'm going to be using that today. You are going to need some nail polish remover, which is effectively acetone, so that's going to help us afterwards to get rid of some of the flux. Okay, well actually it's quite a simple procedure. If you've got yourself a nice vise or clamp which can actually help you, all we're going to do is we're going to line up the two pieces of wire. We're going to get them fairly close and just get them to hold on, just latch on to each other. So what I'm going to do is, because I want a nice clean solder, is I am going to just place them there and everything is in place. I'm going to make my life easier. I'm going to add some flux. It just allows the solder to adhere to the metal and also the two bits that you're joining, i.e. the wire hair. You transfer some of that heat. Perfect. You've got a nice join there. Perfect. Okay, so now that I've got the two connected, what I'm going to do is follow the same process. I'm going to add some flux. Get my solder, apply some heat, and repeat the process. Okay, put a little bit too much solder on, but add on some flux. Flux. Yay. Okay, that's good enough. Good enough. Okay, so well, I've worked out the problem. Oh, well, first things first, let's not break everything. So, the problem is the flux. The flux that I was using, and I thought it would actually be better, was this no clean, non-corrosive, active liquid flux. However, when I'm just using standard flux, which I guess is corrosive, it's absolutely fine. We're getting a nice clean connection, but it is a bit messy. So I'm just going to have to clean that off. So I'm going to go ahead, and to clean it, it's quite a simple process. You just get your acetate. There you go, I've got my acetate. Nail polish remover is what I'm using. Dab a bit on some paper and just wipe everything off. And hopefully I've got everything so I don't have any reconnection. Now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to insulate the wire after this. I'm going to do that offline. For watching, please feel free to like, subscribe or leave a comment below. Appreciate everything. Thank you so much.